Hello, welcome to a new video. This is the Cyntrix here. So today we'll be drawing a trick and how to watch the Star Wars Force Awakens on a CMD. Command prompt using our own computer with no hacks or patches or something. So the thing we use here is TelNet. It's basically a network protocol, but you don't need to bother more about this. It's just easy and simple if you follow the steps I show in here. So the main thing is the new versions of Microsoft does not include TelNet. No worries, you can just get it right now with a simple and clean command on command prompt. So the first thing you need to do is go to CMD, right click and run as administrator. You need administrator permission because we are interfering with the computer settings, so we need administrator permission. So we go here and type pkgmgr. This is a command. It's in the description below. If you want, you can copy paste it. It works perfectly alright. And bam, your TelNet client is on now. So there's an alternative way to turn it on using our Windows features turn or off button, but this is more easy. I think you just need to copy paste the code and bam, your TelNet is ready. So now you got to do is just close the CMD and open it again, so that the command we just initiated, the TelNet will run perfectly alright. It just needs restart. Open it and type TelNet Towel.blinkenlights.nl. This code will also be in the description below, and just click enter. So as soon as you will see connecting to TelNet and some credits below, you need to wait a little bit and it shows the credits and kind of a text, and bam, your movie is ready. You can see that the intro is coming. A long time ago in a galaxy war, the intro poster, the credits, the movie, everything is alright. So hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like and comment below if you face any difficulties or issues. Bye.